Above all means maybe if we talk about these all pieces, they may not be triangle or maybe rectangle or maybe lamina. But even then, large number of figures can be made by this. The very first and foremost uses of this is that children will use it and will play with this. May not be knowing that this is a triangle, this is a parallelogram, this is a right angle triangle, and this is something else. What is the name of this? Doesn't matter. Children are playing and are making shapes. Somewhere they understand that our face is round and that is somewhere like a circle. Our hand can be made by a rectangle and so on. So rectangular pieces can be joined together in order to make legs and so on. So somewhere they are making similarity with the objects which they are having in their day-to-day life activities in their near environment. And so they can use, lot of such figures can be made. This is very old equipment which is used for learning of mathematics, Chinese equipment named as tangram. Nowadays we are having lot of activities being done on this, because after internet came into existence and that became more popular in our country also. So we got about lot many other shapes which can be made. So you can go to internet and can find out shapes which can be made by tangram. But replicating a shape which is already given there is not giving any idea to learners in order to how these all are making different shapes. So let them play, let them make their own shapes. May not be sensible for me, but it must be sensible. It certainly will be sensible for a learner. We must have interaction with a child. If a child has made this piece as face, we may have interaction how this triangular piece can be representing a face. What is child's idea? So interconnection, discussion among children, discussion between child and the teacher is very, very important. So friends, you can involve children in order to see it and to replicate और अपनी शीट पे बनाए. And may not be, एक बड़ा आइडिया क्या होगा कि वो इसको रख के इतना ही बड़ा कार्डबोर्ड शीट काटेंगे. वेयर एज कोई भी स्क्वायर बना लो, हर स्क्वायर के साथ बन सकता है ये. सो लेट देम रियलाइज कि वो साइज डजंट मैटर, कि कौन सा कितना बड़ा स्क्वायर बना रहे हैं, इतने के जैसा ही चाहिए वंस अगेन. क्योंकि ये हम ये समझते हैं कि ये मेरे लिए प्रेस्क्रिप्टिव है, इससे ना आगे बढ़ना है ना कम जाना है. ये जिसने बनाया उसने बड़ा सोच के बनाया होगा, उतना दिमाग मेरे पास नहीं है, तो मैं क्यों उसको चेंज करूं. एज वी डू नॉट मेक चेंजेस इन अवर टेक्स्ट बुक्स. टेक्स्ट बुक में गलत भी होता है ना, तो मुझे लगता है यार बड़े लर्नड आदमी ने लिखी है, वो नहीं गलत हो सकता, मैं गलत हो सकता हूँ. एज ए टीचर मेरे में गलती हो सकती है, ये गलत नहीं हो सकती. वेयर एज वी शुड क्वेश्चन, हर जगह क्वेश्चन करने की बच्चों की भी आदत डालें. द सेकेंड आइटम इन दिस, आप में से बहुत सारे लोग इसके बारे में जानते होंगे. क्लाइनोमीटर, CLINOMETER, क्लाइनोमीटर. क्लाइनोमीटर के अपने यूसेस हैं, बहुत सारी चीजों में यूज होता है. अभी प्रोफेसर श्रीधरन बात कर रहे थे कि जो माउंट एवरेस्ट है उसका नाम कुछ और होना चाहिए था, क्योंकि उससे पहले उसके ऊपर उसकी हाइट इवेल्युएट करने के लिए सिकदर ने मैथमेटिक्स में काम शुरू किया था. एंड ही वाज एबल टू फाइंड आउट हाइट ऑफ दैट माउंट एवरेस्ट, द हाईएस्ट पीक. कैसे किया था? बहुत सारा मैथमेटिक्स इन्वॉल्व था, बट बेसिक मैथमेटिक्स तो क्या था? क्लाइनोमीटर की वही यूटिलिटी है. ट्रिग्नोमेट्री तो यूज होगा, नो डाउट. सिमिलैरिटी ऑफ ट्रायंगल्स, वेरी सिंपल. What I will do is I will fix it at 9th wall. From that wall I'll start moving, keeping this intact, and I'll start moving and so on, so that I should be able to see the peak of that particular object through this, so that my eye, this instrument and the top of that tree should be in one line. Okay, it is at 45 degree. So when one angle of a right angle triangle, because that is making a right angle triangle, that's right angle. So one side of a right angle triangle, one angle is 45 degree, other angle must be 45 degree. It becomes an isosceles triangle. In an isosceles triangle, height and base must be equal. So this base I can calculate, because this is on the earth. So I can find this base, by using this I can find the height even. This is one of the very simple ways of doing this all.
But sir, this cannot be used at every stage.
Cannot be used at? Of course, cannot be be used at every state, but even then, say for example, by finding angle of inclination using this, how can we find angle of inclination? And they are using that instrument certainly to find out the angles only. Yeah. And after finding angles, they are making certain calculations in order to find the distances. So this instrument will help me in finding out angles. तो distances तो निकल ही जाएंगे, एक दो distance पता होंगे, बाकी distances we can calculate. This clinometer and once again can be made by students. ये प्रोट्रैक्टर बहुत आसानी से अवेलेबल होता है. It's a very low cost equipment which is almost put in all geometry boxes which are available in school for school mathematics. So as is already mentioned, ये सिर्फ ideas देने के लिए है. You can use all this. It's a very good equipment. बहुत सारी learning इससे होती है. Even learning of angles. Say for example, गलती हो गई, स्केल टूट गया, 0 से शुरू नहीं हो रहा है, ओ है 5 से शुरू हो रहा है, तो कैसे मेजर करेंगे लेंथ? मीन्स मैं माइनस भी यूज कर सकता हूं, मैं वो फॉरवर्ड काउंटिंग भी यूज कर सकते हैं, बहुत सारे तरीके हैं. रख लिया यहाँ, ये 1 2 3 4 7 पे खत्म हो रहा है, तो इट्स लेंथ इज 7 यूनिट्स एंड सो ऑन. सो this is another equipment which has been placed, but once again can be made by each one of you. Another equipment which we have with us is these strips and connectors. So हमारा assumption once again थोड़ा सा मैथमेटिक्स से अलग है, and that assumption is we are assuming that a straight line is like this. ऐसी होती नहीं है स्ट्रेट लाइन. सो यू जस्ट हैव ए फील ऑफ दिस. और परवीन चौरसिया जी कुछ और इनोवेटिव आपको बताने जा रहे हैं.
One is for the class 1 and 2. That is the group arithmetic. We tell about that. This kit be utilized for class 1 and 2 only. There is one upper primary kit and there is one secondary kit. I am just explaining one of the gadget. It belongs to the secondary kit. And in fact, this is it's a very nice tool. If you are using this, it will give a concrete experience of not only the circles, the concepts related to the circles, but also the concepts related to the trigonometry. In fact, few classroom testing we have done, and we have found it was quite effective. See, we have given, I just described the tool first. Defined this as a unit length. So this is a unit circle, okay? And unit circle is given. This is the x-axis we have given. This is the y-axis we have given. Suppose you want to give, firstly you want to talk about the sine, cosine. What is the functions? What is the values of this? Suppose you want to define firstly the sine. What you have to do? You have to just put the things so that it will define in a perpendicular manner. Yeah. Like this, you will put it. Now for any sine of theta, any angle you are talking about, you are saying that this is nothing but perpendicular by hypotenuse. Since it's a unit circle, but hypotenuse is 1, so this perpendicular length will represent the sine theta. And similarly, this, if you are putting a scale here, we have already given, this is the cos theta. So now by giving the small activities, now you can ask to a student explore what is the connection between these two. The student can explore all that concept by working on this geometric board or trigonometric board itself. So actually this was very effective. We also noticed that, see, it does not matter the student is calculating the exact value of sine 30. But at least estimation is coming out. After that, when he is seeing the chart, he is okay. I was near this value, sine 30. Yeah. So and he is doing and exploring the properties of sine theta, how the sine theta is behaving in first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant, and what is the relation between sine theta and sine 90 plus theta, cos theta, cos 90 plus theta. All these connections can be explored by doing activities on this plate itself.
It's very clear, जैसा बताया यूनिट सर्कल है, and unit circle में it's moving. So whenever this is moving, it's always making an angle with its initial position. And अभी तो limitation खत्म हो गया that this angle should be between 0 and 90 degree. क्योंकि this can move to any position, maybe any number of times, maybe in any direction. सो वो दो डायरेक्शन आ गई, पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव आ जाएगा। क्लियर? देखिए क्या होता जा रहा है, एट एवरी पोजीशन जैसे जैसे एंगल बढ़ेगा या कम होगा, यहां से जो परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉप करेंगे, इफ यू ड्रॉप ए परपेंडिकुलर फ्रॉम दिस, ये जो परपेंडिकुलर लेंथ है जो अभी बता रहे थे, एज वी मूव द लेंथ ऑफ परपेंडिकुलर इज गोइंग टू इंक्रीज। यहां तक पहुंचते पहुंचते मैक्सिमम हुआ 0 से, here once again it is decreasing from 1 and here it is 0. It is now in opposite direction, so it's negative. Which peg is fixing into the hole, that will give me an idea of the surface which it is having and the shape which it is having. Say for example this cannot be fit in here, cannot be fit in here, cannot be fit in here, can be completely fit in here only. So once again, children are required to be made playing with this and should make out their own sense what it means and how it is going to be used. Nail boards are can be made, एक particular type के nail board है जिसमें जो nails हैं या जो points हैं, these are equidistant, and there are two types of nail boards. This is making parallel rows of nails equidistant and their originating point is same. सबका originating point nails का same है, यहाँ से हर रो में, starting from here only. First nail is put in here, जो next row का nail है वो इसके हाफ से start किया जाता है. So that is another type of geoboard.